How well can these 4 drones handle a leaf blower directly at them? Let's start with the DJI Flip. All right, so here we go. Doing pretty good. Damn. That was the limit. What about the HOVERAir PROMAX? Ooh. It's doing well. That was impressive. If you're interested in the DJI Flip, then I do have some cracking deals down in the video description. For my Australian viewers, I've actually helped you save over $70,000 on your drones, cameras, and accessories from DJI. So make sure to reach out to sales@d1store.com.au and mention DansTube, and they'll be able to help you out on the best deal they can with the DJI Flip. And for my international viewers, I've got some other awesome deals down below, so make sure to check them out. What about the little DJI Neo? Okay. Whoa, it fully spun around. The Neo's got a lower wind rating than the other 2 that we just tested, but man, that was pretty impressive. It literally did a full spin around and kept flying. What about the original HOVERAir X1? This should be quite similar to the Neo. Whoa! Lost that one. The X1 spun out and went right underneath the deck there. All 4 drones did a pretty amazing job considering that I have a leaf blower like not even 30 centimeters away from them. They all did a great job. The Flip obviously kind of crashed out behind me. The Neo did a full spin, and the X1, the original X1, went underneath the deck. The PROMAX amazingly enough handled it, but all 4 of them did a pretty good job considering what I put them through.